How to download NBA 2025, or you can say 2K25 on your Windows computer or PC. First, open your browser and search for Steam. Go for the first result, and from here install Steam, and again install Steam. Now we have to open Steam. Alright, double click on your Steam. Now we have to install Steam on our computer. So next, choose your language. Next, choose your location and press the install button. Alright, so we have completed the first step. Now what we have to do is just open Steam, and then you have to create an account. Okay, so I have already created an account. So yeah, just open Steam, create an account, and log in into your Steam account. So let's wait for some time. Alright, so after you get inside Steam, you will be redirected in library. Just press store from here, and from the search, right, from the search just type NBA, and there we go, there is a game. Just press here and choose the one you want. So it's standard edition, tournament edition, so all star edition. Choose the one. Okay, add to cart, then view cart. So now just press this button and complete your payment. Okay, so after you have completed your payment, it's not that hard, it's very simple. Just press here and they will ask you to give your credit card, debit card information. After you have completed the payment, your game will be on the library. All right, so just press the game and press the install button, and there we go, you will be able to play NBA 2025 or 2K25 on your computer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.